How to turn on passcode on iPhone. Hey there everyone, welcome back to this guiding studio, and today's guide video I'll show you how you can set up passcode to unlock any iPhone. So without further ado, let's jump right into the video, guys. Well, so turning on the passcode settings is the best way to keep your iPhone data secure. Simply go ahead and open up the settings app from your device and then scroll down to the Face ID and passcode settings. Go ahead and tap on this one, and from here you just need to scroll down a little bit and you'll get to see the turn passcode on. You just need to tap on this one. Here it's gonna ask you to enter a new passcode, so you can select the passcode option from here. You can select 4-digit numeric code, 6-digit custom, and custom alphanumeric, so you can select any of this from here. Let's say I'm gonna select the 6-digit numeric code and I'm gonna type in the code right from here. So I have typed in my code and it's asking to verify the code again, so I'm gonna enter the code once again right here. And once you have entered your new code twice, it will take a little time and it might ask you to enter your Apple ID password. Go ahead and enter the password, and your iPhone passcode will be enabled. If you find this very helpful, guys, if you do, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.